Which of the following is true about Delaunay Triangulation? The triangles are as equilateral as they can be. For each triangle, the circumcircle through its anchor points does not contain any other anchor point. Both 1 and 2. And finally, none of the above. Now you got it right. It's both 1 and 2. What is a Delaunay triangulation or Delone triangulation? So first of all, how this Delone triangulation is done? We have different points. Now taking 3 points, we make a circumcircle. If there is another point in between, then you cannot join these triangle points. For example, if you see this rabbit, the triangles which you see are increasing and decreasing, and more triangles mean more smooth and realistic shape. So it's not just about GIS, or it's not just about gaming. It's about representation of certain 3D item using the triangles. So when you have certain points, we join them and we try to make a circumcircle. If there is no point in between, these triangle is okay. But if you make a circumcircle with taking 3 points and there is a point in between, these triangles cannot be joined. You have to have a joining like this. So if you make a circumcircle here, there is no point in between. So these are the triangles which can be formed. This is how different triangles are formed, taking care that the circumcircle should not contain any point in between. So more points will have more triangles. Sparse points or sparse vertices or sparse values will have a bigger triangle. So the Delone triangulation or Delaunay triangulation subdivides their convex hull. Convex hull is simply an area, which is the study area, into triangles whose circumcircles, which I am defining it here also, do not contain any of the points. So there can be multiple points. Make a triangle taking 3 points. If there is any point, don't make that triangle. And this Delaunay triangulation ensures that no vertex lies within the interior of any of the circumcircles or the triangles in the network. So in the animation also see that we are making triangles taking 3 points, and if any point lies between this circumcircle, then we have to divide again these triangles, make more new triangles.